Hello guys, this particular tutorial is for hot mining. How you can boost and get a good mining rate or mining speed. As you can see in your screen right here, my hot balance is 1.0. So if I click on storage, it will take me to different ones. We have gas, we have boost, and we have friends. So there are different ways you can increase your mining speed. You cannot increase your mining speed with gas. You need gas to be able to claim your hot token. So once you you perform this very task, they will give you some free gas. Once you run out of gas, you won't be able to claim your hot token again. So what happens next is that you have to download the Herewallet, and impute and send near. That's the native token. Send near to your wallet, to your own wallet. Then when you do, once this particular wallet has for those of you that registered through Telegram, so if you download the Herewallet, you don't have to create an account. All you have to do is just to carry your seed phrase from here and import it over, export your seed phrase from here, from this Telegram, this hot mining, then export it to the Herewallet. So, and I know most of you are confused about your near address. So your near address for those that register with Telegram is, let me say my name is Joseph. So my near address would be joseph.tg. The TG means Telegram, short abbreviation. So if yours is Philip, so your near address will be philip.tg. So they're using your Telegram username to carve out a username for you in this near protocol, near blockchain. So once you do that, so once you have near in your account, so you won't be charged for gas fee anymore for this gas. So you have unlimited gas to claim to claim as you like. So let's move over to boost. So boost, now there are 3 stages here. This is where you increase your mining speed. You cannot increase your mining speed with gas, but you can increase your mining speed through boost. So the first one is meta storage. This meta storage, you cannot increase your mining speed with meta storage. What this that's modular storage. What it does for you is this: it helps you to extend the hours in which you can mine. Originally we can mine for 2 hours, but I've already leveled up to 3 hours. So now currently I'm mining for 3 hours. So the next one I have here, I can mine for 4 hours, but then I have to upgrade with 0.5 hot token. I won't do that. The reason why is this: it's just an hour added. So, and again, even if I increase the hour, it's not going to increase my mining speed. So it's of no use to me. So what is of use to me is this stone fire. These are the most important ones to increasing your mining speed. So I've gone to level 2 already. So for me to be able to get to level 3, I have to upgrade with 1 hot. I'm going to do the upgrade right in front of you. So just watch out. So you have to upgrade with 1 hot. So if you do this, that's I've upgraded from level 1 to 2. So for me to move from 2 to 3, I need 1 hot to do that. And in getting this hot is very hard. So let's go to the last one. These uranium boxes. The first stage, you don't need any requirement for the first stage. The second stage, I've forgotten what I did in the second stage, but it's not really that tedious. The third stage needed you to download the Herewallet. That's where the Herewallet comes in. They need you to download the Herewallet. Once you download the Herewallet, that will take you to you've passed the third stage. You can migrate. Then for the fourth stage, they need you to add near at least 0.5 near in your account for you to be able to migrate to level 4. While level 5 need you to have at least 1 USDT on your account. So what I did, I swapped from near to USDT. I had some other coins. If you check my previous videos, you will see it. So you have to swap. So now for me to get the level 6 now, they don't have anything because it's still coming soon. These are the two places here that you can do upgrade. One is the Stonefire and one is the uranium boxes that increase your mining speed. The mental storage only increases your hour, not the mining speed. So in case you want to make your choice, choose very well. So right now I need to go back because I want to upgrade to this level 3 in this mining. I have my 1.0 already. So how do I do this? I click on this. You can see the hot balance 1.0. So I click on the storage, then I click on the boost, then I click on the fireplace, then I click on upgrade. So let's see how fast this one is now. So why we have to pay 1 hot? In getting 1 hot, it can take you like 3 to 4 days. That's if you are really consistent. Say fail to fetch. I don't know if the problem is from the app. Not enough hots. I thought they said 1 hot. So okay, it has been removed. Sometimes it will show transaction fee, something like that, but it has actually worked. So let's see the speed right now. I think this one is good. Yeah. So I'll be talking next about the Herewallet. Check my next video if you want to learn about the Herewallet, on how you can make money with your Herewallet. And I suspect that Herewallet is going to do an airdrop. And don't play with HOT. HOT is a project sponsored by Herewallet. Hotmining is a project sponsored by Herewallet. Just like we have a lot of BTC wallets out there, a lot of BTC dApp that you can store your BTC. So it's the same thing with Herewallet. You can store your near and other cryptocurrencies. So if you check your address when you want to register for this HOT, you will see that it's Herewallet bot. So Herewallet is the one in charge of this HOT mining. So don't play with this thing because this thing is 100% legit. So see you guys in the next video when I talk about the Herewallet. I give you some explanation how you can go about it.